Hello kids, how are you all? Are you excited to know more about our country? So here I am back with new video. Students, firstly we will recap what we have learned in the last video. We learned India is located in the southern part of the continent Asia. Yes, it has Arabian Sea in the west and the Bay of Bengal in the east. It has Indian Ocean in the south and Himalayas in the north. Yes. Then students, we learned about the neighboring countries. What is neighboring countries? Neighbors, the people who live near our home. So neighboring countries means countries near our home, India. See here, India is sharing its border with how many countries? It is Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. Yes students, so India share its border with these countries. Okay, I hope that you all have learned these names. Now students, as we know, India is a large country. For better running of our country, India was divided into smaller areas called states and union territories. India is described as a union of 28 states and 8 union territories, including the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Union territories are under the direct control of central government. The states have their own government. Okay students, in this video we are going to learn about the different states. We will learn the location of all the states, their names and their capitals. So let's begin the video.
India is the 7th largest country in the world and also the second populous. It lies in the southern Asia. India is governed by a parliamentary form of government. It gets very difficult to manage the large country from one place. So, Indian Constitution give right to the central government to make states as it feels suitable. There are 28 states and 8 union territories in India as of April 2020. In this video, we have covered the list of Indian states, union territories and their capitals. Let's start the video. Ladakh. The capital of Ladakh is Leh. Jammu and Kashmir. The capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. Himachal Pradesh. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Uttarakhand. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Rajasthan. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Haryana. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Delhi. The capital of Delhi is New Delhi. Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chhattisgarh. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Odisha. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Telangana. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Goa. The capital of Goa is Panji. Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Assam. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Meghalaya. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Nagaland. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Manipur. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. Mizoram. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Tripura. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. The capital of all these union territories is Daman. Lakshadweep. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kamravati. Puducherry. The capital of Puducherry is Puducherry. Andaman and Nicobar Island. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair. Chandigarh. The capital of Chandigarh is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a union territory and also the capital of two states, Punjab and Haryana.
I hope students you all have understood the location and the capital of all the states. Okay, now here on the page number 35, all the states and union territories are given here. You can learn the name of states and capitals and the union territories from here. Okay, now your homework is you have to learn the capital of all Indian states. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask me also. Thank you.